So 이응, it has two sounds. So first sound is silent. Second sound, when 이응 acts as a final consonant, it will be ng sound. So I'm gonna go over a couple examples. Okay. So first sound, silent. So as you can see, when 이응 is acting as a consonant, 이응 sound will be silent. So this becomes silent. It has no sound. And this we already know it's ah. So therefore it's ah. Hangul always have to have a consonant plus vowel to make one letter, syllable. Therefore we need a silent, which is a placeholder. So we use 이응 as a placeholder. Yeah, I'll give you one more example. Let's do 이응 and let's do the horizontal one. So that first one is a vertical vowel. So let's do horizontal. This one. Yo. So just like how we did 이응, again acting as a consonant. Therefore it is silent. And then we know this is yo. So this whole syllable letter becomes yo. Second sound, when 이응 is acting as final consonant, then it's ng sound. So we'll go over a couple examples. So let's do 기억 and then ah. Let's put 이응 on the bottom because that's where we put the final consonant. 기억, we already know that's G sound. This, we already know that's ah. Now, 이응 is placed on the bottom, final consonant. So we just learned it's going to be ng. So G comes first, ah comes next, and then ng. That's the order, okay? So this becomes 강. So 강, actually that's one of our vocab later on. So that means river. 강 is river. Let me do one more example. 3 syllables altogether. This vocab, first of all, it means cat. Okay. So let's do this. So we got first syllable 기억, 오. So first syllable is 고. Second syllable 이응, 야. So we know that's ya. And then 이응 here again as a final consonant. So this part. ng, yang. So we got 고, yang. Third syllable, very easy. Silent for the first 이응 because it's consonant. And then 이, vowel. So 고, yang, 이. 고, yang, 이. It means cat. Let's do the next one. 지읒. So 지읒, 1 and then 2. 지읒. It is J sound. Okay, 지읒, J. Next one, 치읒. So only difference is just the first stroke between the 지읒 and 치읒. But 치읒, this is 치읒. It has this first stroke, and then 2 and 3 looks like 지읒, the previous one. So 1, 2, 3. 치읒. We have different font for this one. This one I like to talk about it because the first stroke can be horizontal or vertical. A lot of people say, what? What? That's totally different. But yes, some different font has horizontal one for the first stroke. Some has the vertical one for the first stroke. So you can see different fonts like this one, or sometimes it's 45 degree. Yes, we have 45 degree too. And it is not 시옷. 시옷, remember 시옷 was this. So it's not 시옷. And the sound for this one, you probably already kind of figure out from the name, 치읓, so it's CH. CH sound. So next one is 1. So it looks like 기억, this one, right? 1. And then you add this stroke. 2. 키읔, 키읔. And this one is K sound. 키읔, K sound. Next one, 티읕. T sound, 티읕. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 피읍, 피읍. And last one, 히읗, 히읗. 히읗, H sound. 히읗, H sound. And we do have various font.
라,
라,
라, 야,
비야, 비읍 and 야, 비야. 서,
서, 겨,
겨, 겨. H sound and then E, so he. Niun and O, so no, no, no. Do.
두,
Mium and U, mew.